Good freaking morning, everybody. How are y'all doing? Welcome to another video. It's Saturday. The weather is incredible. It's like 70 something degrees. The sun's out. The Tahoe's in the garage. She's filthy. We just washed her Thursday, 2 days ago, but it's already just, it rained yesterday and we took it out and it's filthy. Anyway, so got a package in the mail. That's becoming a trend. My good friends over at LasFit LED Lighting sent us a package. This is the 7440 Amber CAN bus turn signal bulbs for the back of the Tahoe. And I don't know if you know this or not, but these Tahoes don't come with LED bulbs. I was kind of shocked that the taillights don't actually have LEDs. Look, you can see it. There's just a bulb in there. And the reverse light's not a LED. And the turn signal, the brake light, like I'm gonna have to reach back out to them and get some more bulbs for this. Apparently none of the bulbs in the back are. Let's see if these are. Yep, those are all LEDs in the headlights. Obviously the running lights, daytime running lights are LEDs. Turn signals in the front, LEDs. But none of the back, the driving lights in the back are LEDs. But none of the actual function bulbs are LEDs. They're all regular incandescent. So, got to do something about that. These bulbs are going to change that. These are, I think they're like $54, so they're a little on the pricier side for LED bulbs, but the technology behind these is incredible. They're brighter than any other bulb I've found on the market, and they're a really good. They're a really good bulb. And we'll see if they held up to that impact. But either way, LasFit Auto Lighting, LasFit. You guys already know from my Silverado videos that I run LasFit bulbs in all of my stuff, and gonna continue to do that, and we're starting right here. So let's get to it. So you can see the quality of the bulbs. See if I can get some zoom here. So you can see the bulbs are really nice. Is that yellow? Oh, cool. It looks like two different bulb colors. See that? Orange and yellow, but it's the same bulb just as you rotate it. It looks different. Pretty cool. So these are CAN bus technology, so they have the resistors and whatnot built into them so they don't hyper flash. They're also insanely bright compared to the stock bulb, and when we get done installing them, I will do a comparison day and night for you so you can see what the stock one versus the LED looks like. All right, we got it turned around in the garage. Hopefully we don't hit anything up there. I've never opened the hatch in here, so we're gonna see what happens. I think that's the glass. This is the regular hatch. Let's wish for the best. Come on, don't hit anything. Don't hit anything. Oh, good, sweet. All right, good. It sucked. I was worried about that. All right, so now we got to figure out how to get these housings off. I have no clue how we're gonna get to that. I'm guessing that maybe something comes off in here, but this is a lot different than the Silverado. Maybe this panel comes off. All right, we got some figuring to do here. Okay, we got the driver's side off. See the difference? Black panels, no black panels. So what happens, I'll do it in reverse order. So this little piece here like slips up beside this, see these three little tabs that are on here? They actually go in three little holes right there. So it just slips up in there and like clicks into place just like that right there. So to pull it out, you just get underneath it right here and just kind of pop on it like that. Pulls out. Before you do that, this piece, let's see here, I think it goes like that. Yeah, deep end goes up top. So this piece, same thing. There are two tabs on the bottom, and then there's a click tab right there that I actually got off. I don't know how that didn't break. That little click tab goes in right there. So two tabs on the bottom, one click on the top, and this just kind of lives like that right there. Once you get those off, you can see there's a screw here Torx. And then way back behind your hinge there is another screw. And I wish it would focus. There it is, right there. Way back there. Behind that, there's a second screw. So there you go. You can see them right there. One right up there where my finger is, and one down there on the bottom. So now we got to take those out, and we should be able to just slide the tail light out at that point. Now we're going to try to pull this housing out. I'm guessing if it's anything like the Silverado, yep, there's some click tabs. There it goes. Ooh, you got to put some force on that. So, and there's a wire harness in here that won't let you. There we go. There we have it. Wow, a lot of bulbs in here. Now I gotta try to find somewhere to sit this so it doesn't scratch my truck. I'm actually gonna just take the bulbs out. One non-LED, two non-LED, three non-LED, and then this is the plug for the actual LED circuit. If I can get this to pop off, we can unplug this. There we go. Stock tail light completely removed from the Tahoe, and you can see in the back here, there's your first wire clip, second wire clip, plug, bulb, 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 and then it comes out. And these right here are just like ribbed push pins. There's two little brackets right here that they'll go into, and they just pop into place. All right. I guess we could smoke those if we wanted to. I'm not really big into that look. All right, time to pop the old bulbs out, new bulbs in. A little wiggle back and forth. Should come right out, maybe. This is always my biggest fear, is when I'm pulling these out, they're gonna like explode in my hand. It's gonna cut me wide open. There we go. Pops right out, nothing to it. New bulb in. Now with LEDs, you want to check these. I'm not sure if these do it, but I know other bulbs, sometimes they won't work. And it's because you've got the polarity backwards. LEDs are polarity sensitive. So if it doesn't work, you just basically pull them out, rotate it 180 degrees and put it back in. So we'll see if these work first. And you can test that by just hitting your unlock button. And it should flash. Oh God, that's very bright. Oh man, when I close my eyes, I've got 6 little dots of orange in my head. All right, well those work really good. Man. All right, let's put it back together and do the other side. All right, comparison video of the LED on this side, stock on this side. Oh my goodness, look at how weak it makes that bulb look. It looks like faded, and this one over here on the driver is just so precise. Watch this. On, off, on, off. And then you come over to this one and it's like dull. It looks like it halfway comes on. Let's close the hatch here. Man, what a difference. That's in daytime too. I can't imagine how bright it's gonna be at night. All right, we are back home. Long night, I tell you. It was a blast though. I'm tired. I really don't want to finish this video tonight, but I'm going to. So I need to turn off the garage light, and let's do this comparison between the LED and the non-LED. All right, here we go. Whew. I mean, it's not even close. Like it's hard to even. Yeah, it's not even close. All right. All right, I'm gonna put the hazards on. That way I don't have to keep folding my mirrors in. Let's see, where are they at in this truck? Oh, there they are. There we go. Holy cow. I mean, you can't say you didn't see my blinker. All right, the final result. Man, I'm tired. My freaking cheeks are red. All right, final result. Let's see how it looks. All my tools out. And pop the hatch and close it. Well, I guess you already saw what it looked like there. Let's do it. She's bright. Oh yeah. Forgot about those. Alright, let's hit the hazards. See what it looks like. I can already tell you that the ground is really lit up. Jeez. That's insane. It's too much to even look at. And then you compare it to my front lights. My front lights look good, but they're not near that bright. I mean, you can see it's just lighting up the whole world back there. Like my neighbor's house is getting lit up. I should probably turn these off since it's 11 o'clock and he's probably trying to sleep. All right, there you have it. LasFit LED turn signal bulb 7440 amber. You can get them on LasFit's website. I'll put a link in the description below. I think they're like $54 and then like $2 shipping or something like that. I've also got a coupon code for 10% off your order on select items. Obviously, I think it's items that aren't already on sale, but 10% off. I'll put that coupon code also in the description below. So I appreciate you guys for watching my video. Thank you as usual. Hopefully we can get some more content out on this thing, but until then, we'll see you in the next one.